Think you're so smart? Well, I'll show you. Yeah, I will! I'll show all of you. I swear, just watch and you'll see, damn you! 996, 997, 998, 999! Doesn't matter if it takes a year or 2 or 10 or 100! I don't care! I will be the Wizard King. Nothing's going to stop me. Yeah, fine. So maybe I won't get to join a Magic Knight squad today. But no matter what anyone says, and no matter how many times I might stumble, I won't give up! I will become the Wizard King! Even as much as I've trained my body, I don't stand a chance. Captain Yami is still fighting. He pushed past his limits. Here I am. Stand up. Come on, stupid body, move! I won't give up! Not giving up. He has no magic. We're gonna get you this time! I'm never giving up! The way I see it, not giving up is the strongest weapon I've got! And there's no way I'm gonna quit before my wish comes true!